Ako si Randy Calma, 30 years old from Angeles, Pampanga, Philippines. Yung asawa ko, housewife, then yung anak ko, 5 years old. Ang pangarap ko sa pamilya ko ay parang mayaon ko sila sa hirap. Kung magkakasakit ka, kailangan pang manghiram. Sabi kasi nung kasama ko, kung gusto mong maging successful, umalis ka doon sa comfort zone mo. Kaya ako nag-decision na pumunta sa GM. Para mabago yung buhay, para masenso. Sinama lang ako ng kaibigan ko. Nagbaka sakali kaming pumasa.
Entering in the training center and joining the program is once in a lifetime experience. I'm Ramil Richard Kinan. I'm from Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. Before I was like them, that's why I can feel the pressure. I tried my luck in applying in GMA-TCC. I got accepted from the recruitment. I finished the program. We got deployed in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, and I stayed there and worked there as an automotive technician. I came back here just this May of 2014. I started teaching in General Motors last July 1 of 2014.
Lahat dito libre, ikaw pa nga yung bibigyan nila ng allowance para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Kailangan mo lang gawin dito, kundi mag-aral ng mag-aral. Inspirasyon ko sa pamilya ko, sir. Parang kung nabigo ako dito, parang binigo ko na rin nila eh. Kasi yung pinunta ko dito, sir, yun yung goal ko eh.
The training before is way much different than the training now. It's more intense, more practical oriented. It's not just theory. It's not just familiarization of American cars, but it's more on technical training now.
Yun yung ginagawa ng GM sa amin. Tinuturuan kami kung paano yung tamang paggawa. Sinabi sa akin ni Sir Edward na I can make you a better technician. Nangyayari po yun. Sa tingin ko po, mas malayo na ako ngayon kaysa dati. Dati kasi sir, hindi mo man alam kung bakit meron siyang ganito eh. Tatrabaho kami, change oil lang, spreno. Dati pag nakakita ako ng mga bagong sasakyan, natatakot yung baloy kasi baka masira. Pero ngayon, kahit na bigyan pa ako ng mga bagong sasakyan, at tingin ko kaya ko nang gawin to. Marami akong natutunan sa loob ng 3 buwan na hindi ko natutunan sa loob ng 8 taon, sir. Ngayon, sir, mas naiintindihan ko na yung kung paano, ba't siya nagkaganito, yung theory sa loob ng sasakyan, kung anong nangyayari, kung paano yung mga tamang troubleshooting.
You must have the willingness to learn. It's not just knowing the basics of automotive, but still you need to update yourself as a mechanic or as a technician.
Becoming good in anything is a process. I'm Julius Malupangi from Agusan del Sur. My experience that I have in General Motors helped me to build my courage and confidence enough to impart to the others. GM helps me a lot from my financial, from my stability in life. Those experience and those investment that I have during my time in General Motors was able to put me in this stage now, which I could say it's one step ahead from my previous status in life.
In automotive, much more here in General Motors, there's no end in learning. Every day is learning.
We need to make a step in order for us to learn, and in order for us to improve our lives.
Ako nagpapasalamat sa malaking oportunidad na ibinigay niya sa amin. Sa mga instructor na nag-motivate sa amin. Tsaka yung tiyaga ko sa pagtuturo. Nang dahil sa inyo natulungan niyo kami. Mga tinuro niyo, hindi ko sasayangin. Gagamitin ko. I'll make you proud. Iba kasi yung training dito, sir. Talagang parang ipupush ka dito sa limitation mo para maging magaling ka. Masasabi ko na ako isang GM Advanced Technician.